In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect different Trello cards and boards together, two-way sync, 5 minutes. Start by logging into your Trello account and open the board you want to sync. This will be the board where you'll add the integration. Make sure you have the right permissions on this board and that you know which other board you want to keep in sync. Two-way sync means updates go both directions, so any change on either board can be mirrored on the other. On your board, look for the Power-Ups option in the top menu. Open it, then choose Add Power-Ups to browse the directory. In the search bar, type Board Sync by Unito or Unito. You're looking for the Unito Power-Up that connects Trello boards. Click Add, then follow the prompts to authorize the integration. You'll be asked to grant access so Unito can read and write cards on your behalf. Approve the requested permissions for the correct workspace so it can manage the sync properly. Once the Power-Up is installed, you'll see an Unito icon on your board. Click it to open the Unito panel. Choose Create Workflow to begin setting up the connection. Unito will ask which tools and boards you want to connect. Select Trello on both sides, then pick the two Trello boards you want to sync. If prompted, link your Trello account inside Unito so it can access your boards. This is required for the sync to function. Next, start mapping what should sync between the boards. Confirm it's a two-way sync if you want changes to flow both directions. Map core fields like titles, descriptions, due dates, assignees, and labels so they stay aligned. Take a moment to map lists as well so a card moved to in progress on one board lands in the equivalent list on the other. Use filters if you only want certain cards to sync, such as items with a specific label or only cards from particular lists. This keeps your boards tidy and prevents unwanted clutter. When everything looks right, confirm and start the sync. The first run may take a moment as existing cards are matched or created. Check a couple of cards on both boards to verify that titles, labels, and lists mirror correctly. If something's off, return to Unito's workflow settings to adjust your mappings without starting over. That's it. You've connected your Trello boards with a two-way sync using Unito so updates stay in lockstep and your team can work from whichever board they prefer.